Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video will be another mind-blowing video. Don't make too much talk this time because I have to show you a lot of information. Yes, and this video will be really mind-blowing because this is one of the most requested videos ever. And this is how to predict the next candlestick based on strong support and resistance level, yes, in a ranging market. And this video will again changing your trading style. You will become a good trader only by applying this kind of concept. I have to say, I have talked last week about the commitment stuff. Yes, you have to commit it. You have to do everything to get knowledge. Yes, you should invest in your knowledge. That means get the bot price action Bible, get the video packs. They will help you. They will reduce your time which you have to invest to become a consistently profitable trader, because those information are genuine. They are helping you a lot understanding how to trade properly. So then I have to say, this commitment stuff, it sounds like it's not only investing in your knowledge, it's only not to believe in misinformation. A lot of other YouTubers are giving you misinformation. I cannot say this in other way because they are not a full-time trader like I am. You don't see them in the leaderboard like I am. Yes, they are not a pro trader, they are only web traders. Web traders can do, they need only to trade 20 days on real account or 25 days on real account to get this whip sign. That means you can lose every day, but you trade it on real account and then you get the whip sign. There are no pro traders. They are not in the leaderboard like I am. Yes. So in this case, don't believe those kind of affiliate marketers. They are showing you pre-done video trades. Yes, they have done the trade and then they are telling you they're doing this for better explanation. No, they are not doing this for better explanation. They do this primary to lure you, to get you in the affiliate stuff. Yes, 1 second, I have to open the door for my dog. So yes, they do this, yes, to lure you, to get you under affiliate. They are showing you the gifts which the broker are giving them. I tell you something, why should a broker give you any kind of gift? They give you only the gifts when you are one of their top affiliate marketers. That means, why should a broker invite you to the headquarters? Only when you are one of the best affiliate marketers. And you have to understand this. I don't know how I can explain this to you. Those one who are promoting affiliate links in the beginning, at the intro of the video or at the outro of the videos, are affiliate marketers. They are not traders, and don't get lured by their information because they are only interested that you lose money. This guy, which I'm talking about, has provided this weekend his strategy 3.0. And I have to say that it's the biggest laugh I ever have done, because he is trying everything to get you losing money. Don't believe in any kind of strategy which is based on indicators where he is telling you that this indicator has to go out of the oversold area with this setting and this has to happen with this. Don't believe this scam. This is scam. He is a scammer. He is an affiliate marketer. He is not a trader. And he is showing you only pre-done trades. Yes, and he tells you that it is for better explanation. That is the same stuff like I would trade and would tell you after I show you all the trade. And then he is doing also like this, that his trades would be live. Let's see if I'm gonna get this in the money. He knows already that it's got in the money because at the end it was already recorded. Please switch on your brain. I cannot tell you more than this. And the second thing is, try to get out of the social media. You get on social media only bad and misinformation. I cannot tell you this in another way. My trading career started as soon I have left the IQ option chat and any kind of Facebook group, any kind of Telegram group, any kind of other social media. Because they are only giving you misinformation. There are mostly only traders who are seeking attention, who needs confirmation, who are not profitable, because those one who are profitable, you will never hear something about them in the groups. Only a few are honest, which are trying to help other people, but those one are rare. They are really rare, and most of them, 99%, are only luring you. They are only trapping you and getting in any kind of misagony. Yes, that means you are not. They try to get you in a psychological state where you feel jealous, where you want to be successful too, which are making you under pressure. Understand this, yes? And I tell you, my successful trading career as a professional trader, as a successful, consistently profitable trader, began as soon I have left the IQ option chat. They are tearing you only down. There's only negativity. The most of them are only sharing their trades which gone right. They are not sharing their losing trades. That is misinformation which makes you in an inner state which is not peaceful, not an inner peace. And I told you, you have to be relaxed. You have to be above the things to become a profitable, consistently trader, because else you will blow your you will blow your account as soon you get emotionally. And that is what happens. You will do bad trading decisions when you are not in inner peace, because you are recklessness. Yes, you are reckless. You are you try to do this fast. You are greedy. All those kind of stuff, because you try to recover the money which you have lost. Don't believe it. The second thing is what I have to say. Don't believe anybody who is doing investment recovery. They are asking you mostly for a percentage. They are asking you for your account. That means for your email and your password. Don't believe them. You get scammed by them. Don't believe them. If you want to get your money back, and I try my best to do this, I have a big queue to go through them. You can send me an email with the subject investment recovery, and I will try my best to get your money back. Yes, but I tell you immediately, that is not a high probability that you get your money back, because at the end, most of the money which you have lost, yes, then that you have lost basically because you have lost them. Yes, so at the end they are right that that you have lost this. But anyway, don't believe those kind of stuff, and don't believe those one who are coming from Ukrainian or from Russia. Those people are only getting money from you. They are scamming you. They get the money which you have on your account. They are getting the money which you have on your credit card. Don't believe those kind of people. They will scam you, and that will be much more damage than that what the broker can do to you, because they will have then access to your credit card. So okay. Let me go through it, because I don't want to talk much, because at the end I get always these comments, blah 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 blah, but I think those kind of informations are important, because that is that one what I have passed through my trading career. So again, if you are committed to become a consistently profitable trader, then you have to do everything what is necessary to get the information. I have spent a lot of money on education. I have spent a lot of money on a lot of time, yes, a lot of time watching nonsense YouTube videos, yes, which didn't brought me anywhere, yes, to seek this special information, yes. So in this case, try to be committed and stop using any kind of social media, any kind of chat, because they will only distract you from improving. Yeah, so that is that one what I want to say. So again, now we get back to the topic. So this video will be about how to predict the next candlestick based on strong support and resistance. Based on ranging market, because I get so many questions about this, and so many want this kind of video done. And also this kind of video will be mind-blowing, because I want to show you exactly how you can handle really profitable trades. Yes, really reliable trades based on this kind of concepts. All these videos which I have already published, the last weeks in the year 2020, which is a blessed year for you all, because I'm giving away this information, because I do not care about my views, because I do not make money on views. Yes, I do not make money, not even on the affiliate links which I have in the description, because I do not care about this. I'm a full-time trader. I am making my money on trading. You see me in the leaderboard every week, and most of the other ones are not even in the leaderboard. When they are not in the leaderboard, they are not trading. That means in general they are not trader, but they are telling you what's going on. And that is when I tell you that you get lured, you get trapped by those kind of people. I got trapped to them too. Yes, they are pronouncing a new strategy 3.0, and all everybody says yes, thank you for it. But no, their intention is only to bring you to trading, to lose your money, because when you lose your money, they will earn. Okay, so let's start now, because I have talked a lot. Yes, and I will go into this psychology part much deeper in the next videos. Yes, you have only to remind those things which I have told you. The first thing, if you are committed, you have to do everything what is necessary, and don't seek somewhere else. That means, if you are deciding to trade on the style which I'm trading, then you have to stick with it. That means also that you have to get each and every knowledge what you can get. Yes, it's not like this that you are losing your house when you are buying the BOTT price action Bible or the video packs. Yes, that are good invested money, because you get really good information, and you save a lot of time, you save a lot of miss results. Yes, because at the end I teach you in these videos how to trade properly. I teach you in the ebook how to trade properly. Yes, and then you need only to apply those kind of things. And the second thing is, if you are committed, that is the same thing when you are committed with a girl or a boy, then you don't seek for other girls and boys. You stick on this. And that is what I mean when you have to say, when I say that you have to to leave any kind of social media, because they are coming always with a new strategy. They are always coming with a new style of trading. They are always coming with something, because they do not even know what they are doing. The same thing is with this guy who is providing now the strategy 3.0. If he would be a honest one, he would stay to this kind of strategy which he has announced so many years ago. But the problem is, he knows exactly that the only way to get new affiliate traders, yes, under his affiliate link, is to pronounce a new strategy. I'm doing this here already since 2 years. Did you ever saw me announcing any kind new? No, I'm telling you since 2 years, always the same stuff, because I'm not interested in luring you. I'm interested that you become a profitable trader, that you don't get scammed. That is my interest, because I make my money by trading. That is a big difference between me and so many else who are only trying to get money when introducing their intros with an affiliate stuff. Yes, if you like my videos, subscribe and get my affiliate link below. Yes, and open an account. Blah blah blah. Yes, that is what you get. If you like my videos, yes, then you have to make an account. No, if you like my videos, do a like. That is what is the real deal. Okay. That's because else I get too much emotionally in this kind of stuff, because you know my mission was 2 years ago to prevent you all from scamming, and when I see my subscribers who are celebrating this guy, I get a little bit angry. That's the same stuff when I get questions about other ones, yes, who are watching those kind of scammer videos, and they're asking me if those kind of things are working. I can tell you something: don't believe in any kind of strategy. Yes. First of all, you have to spend a lot of time. That makes you really frustrating, waiting for this kind of alignment of the EMAs, alignment of the indicators. Yes, and then when you trade and you fail, you will blow your account. That is what they want. They want that you blow your account. Yes, because they lose, they win only, they make only money when you are losing money. So easy. That is what affiliate marketing is about. So okay. So, how to predict the next candlestick? based on strong support and resistance level in a ranging market. So before we're going to start to this, yes, I want to do is here again the kind of analysis which I'm doing always. We are coming from a downtrend. You see this here on the alignment of the EMAs. We are going into a ranging market, and then we are going now into an uptrend. The next candle, yes, the next candle or the next trade, what happens after this will be a call. And why it will be a call? A call below the 100 EMA based on those kind of things which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible. Yes, the entry point should be below the 100 EMA, and then you go for a call because we are going now into a call, into an uptrend. Why? Because we have here consolidation area. Here you see already the breakout, yes, of the Bollinger Band. There's a Bollinger Band breakout, and like I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible, you have to follow the trend, yes, of the breakout. And in this case, because we are coming from a downtrend going to a ranging, we are going now into an uptrend, and so the next call trade would be a call based on the rejection from the 100 EMA, and preferably you enter below. Preferably you enter below it. And here we have another question which I got from one of my students, and one of those one who subscribes my channel, who has subscribed my channel. You have to call below the round number 2, yes, because here we have confluence. Yes, we have a breakout of the 100 EMA, we have a breakout of the round number with a nice bullish candle. Yes, and this bullish candle could be an exhaustion candle, but I have explained this often. Yes, if you have an exhaustion candle which breaks a key level, then it's not the case to do a put, then it's a case to do a call. Yes, because you have to use the lower key level, and in this case it would be the 100 EMA, yes, to do a rejection, a call on the rejection on it. So the next candle would be a sure shot, and it would be a yes, a call option, yes, below the key level, So that would be this one. So now we are going into the next one, and the next one is yes, let me know if this would be really one, yes, because I want to know this. I have a lot of subscribers who are watching this, who are trading also this one, yes. So in this case, let me know if I'm right with my prediction for the next candle. That would be nice. I'm sure that this will be a call option below the 100 EMA, and that this will be in the money for sure. Okay, so let me see the next one. The next one, what we are going to do, because I have to go a little bit hurry because I have talked a lot. Yes, that will be the announcement of the winner. No, that we will do later. So if you want to use the investment recovery, send me an email with the subject investment recovery to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Yes, important for those one. If you want to get the BOTT prize money, comment below this video. Yes, then you will be participating, and I will announce the winner next week on Saturday. The winner of this week I will announce later. Yes, after I have done the short introduction of those kind of questions which I get everywhere and every day. So we have, let me see, what do we have here? Yes, I have to stop the video 1 second. So, okay, so yes, we have here the BOTT price action guide. You'll find the link in the description. The BOTT price action guide has only 120 illustrations, no explanations. Yes, that is the difference between the BOTT price action guide and the BOTT price action Bible. The BOTT price action Bible can be found in the description too. Yes, it has illustration and descriptions. Yes, yes, explanations. Illustrations and explanations, BOTT price action Bible. Yes, only illustrations, BOTT price action guide. Okay, that is this one. You find both in the description. The information which are provided in the BOTT price action guide Bible are dope. They can give you already an edge against the market. You can make money already only with the BOTT price action Bible, but in conjunction with the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4, you get really magic stuff. Yes, your trading style will increase dramatically because you get instant access to my core knowledge. Video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium one, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, video pack 4 for the nearly pro. Video pack 1 in conjunction with the BOTT price action Bible are magic. They will increase your trading dramatically. You find the link to the video pack in the description. I will make it super short this time. So the next one is the BOTT mentorship program. You can still apply for it. that are the last advices to do this, yes, because I will not tell you this in the future anymore. When the train is gone, the train is gone. So if you want to get into the BOTT mentorship program application process and into the BOTT mentorship program, you should do this as fast as possible, because I will soon stop it. Yes, to apply for the BOTT mentorship program, you need to send me an email, an empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Then you enroll the application process. There is no way to buy the BOTT mentorship program directly. I get so many requests where people want to buy it immediately. You cannot buy it immediately. Everybody has to go through it. Not even the sheikh can buy it. Not even Warren Buffett could buy it immediately. You have to go through the application process, because the application process is a guarantee for me and for you. That means if you don't go through the application process, you don't waste your money on the BOTT mentorship program, because you are not still ready, because you need more knowledge. If you don't go through it, yes, or if you get rejected from me, that is also a sign for you that you are not ready. If instead you go through the application process, it's a guarantee for me that I can make you a consistently profitable trader, yes, which is good for my reputation, because every kind of student which I'm releasing is like my business card, yes, and so it's important for me that application process. And those ones who are only writing in the first form of the application process, yes, I'm interested, you will get rejected immediately. Yeah, I don't want a one sentence answer. Are you kidding me? That is not that. There are 8 questions, and I want from you that you answer these 8 questions. Not that, yes, I'm interested. I know that you are interested. That is not necessary that you tell me this. Else you would not have sent me the empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program. I'm not stupid, yes, but I'm not willing to educate anybody who is not committed. I have told you this. If you are committed, I'm willing to educate you, yes. That is not problem. But if you are not committed and you think it's with an easy test to become a consistently profitable trader, or I can explain you this in one sentence, then you are wrong. Then you are completely wrong. You would never think that any kind of profession, like a pilot, yes, like a doctor, yes, could do this after 1 week or one sentence in a posting, a Facebook posting. So stop doing this. Yes, switch on your brain. Again, you have still the possibility to get into the BOTT mentorship program, but you have to hurry. Yes, because I will soon stop. And if you don't want to be, if you want to be educated by me, then you have to do this as fast as possible. So So again, I will do this really fast, because I have to do some more stuff today, and so I cannot dedicate my time. There are a lot of questions. Those videos which are in the BOTT mentorship program self-study module video pack 1 are not like those videos which I have published on the Facebook group. Sorry, not on the Facebook. That I have not published on the YouTube channel. That is this one, yes. Those videos are not like those one, only to clarify this kind of question which I get over and over. That are high educational videos, yes, that are based on those trades which have done my students, yes, and I explain them exactly how they have to trade, what they have to avoid, what they have to look for, how to have they have to trade for, okay, completely, the complete stuff. You get instant access to my core knowledge, and those one who got my BOTT mentorship program self-study module video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are almost happy about the information they get. That makes part what I tell you about the commitment. Yes, that is giving dedication, watching those videos, studying them, applying those kind of things which you learn on practice account. Yes, that will make you a good trader. So, and this one in conjunction with the BOTT Price Action Bible, which you can find in the description. Yes, because I get this question nearly every day 10 times. Yes, you find the link to the BOTT Price Action Bible in the description. And I can tell you only one thing: don't get the Bible or the guide anywhere else. there are misinformation, there are manipulated ebooks, yes, where people are trying to lure you also with this information. Don't get them somewhere else. I get requests from students which have the Bible with ransomware, yes, with malware, which have the Bible with misinformation, yes, with advertising, with yes, with all this kind of stuff. And I have to handle this kind of stuff, yes, because they are coming to me. They are getting not to those one who I rather buy them. They're coming to me and asking me what's wrong with it, yes. Don't get it somewhere else. If you want to get it in the description. You'll find the link to the Bible. That is the original link, yes, the original source. And if you don't have the payment methods via PayPal or credit card, debit card, then you can contact me. Then we find some kind of solution for it. The same is valid for the video packs. You can find them also in the description. And if you cannot don't have this kind of payment systems, yes, then you can contact me. There we will find also some kind of other payment method. But don't get it somewhere else, because they are taking the same money like I get, for example, and then they are giving you only bullshit. That is what the reality is, yes. And I have to handle those kind of requests then that will only waste my time with this. Yes, it's really sad, but I cannot help you. That is your fault if you are getting it somewhere else. So, and to join the BOTT mentorship program, send me an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. You have still the time to get your feet into the door, but the door will soon shut, yes, and then there will be no education anymore by me, yes. That will be then given to my BOTT mentors, only to let you know this. Yes, you have to do, you have to act, you have to take action, yes, you have to take massive action. So, okay, now we are going to announce the winner, yes, and here you see on the BOTT community page, you get all those kind of informations, background information about my YouTube channel, and about those one who have won the BOTT prize money. For those one who want to win the BOTT prize money, you can comment below the video. Next weekend I will announce the winner. Comment below this video, yes, and then you will participate on this. Here are those one who get released from my BOTT mentorship program. I have forgotten to announce those kind of students which I have released this weekend. I will do this later, yes. And here you see those one who got and won the BOTT prize money are announced also here, yes. So if you want to get background information, watch the community tab, yes. And if you are if you want some kind of my cool shirts, yes, which I have done with the work of one of my Facebook group mods, yes, then you can get them here on the store. Okay. But that is not important. Important is that what we are going to do now. I'm gonna announce the winner of the BOTT prize money from last week. 1 second, I have to prepare something. Okay, so here's the video. I have removed this sidebar because there were so many scamming videos here on the sidebar, so I removed this. So let me see, we have here, we are going to start here. So let me search for the word ago, and then we know exactly how many comments we have. We have this kind of 126 matches. That means we have 126 comments. Yes, and now we will see who has won the BOTT prize money this week. So let's see. 100. Let me write it down. 126. Yes, if I get the number 1, yes, then I will do this again, because the number 1, that's me. Yes, okay, let me see what's going on here. 126, yes, and then generate. So the number 105 has won. Congratulations. Let me see. I will go back because it's shorter. Here, let me see. Yes, that is one of the first commenters who will win today. So 100. Who has won? 105. Yes, let me write this down. I forget it. And I don't have to do a mistake here. So let me see. 105. That is close. This guy here. Cock CWL1, you have won the BOTT prize money. Let me confirm this. 105. Yes, this kind of color here, 105. You are the winner. Please, I will contact you. Yes, I have your email because you contact me anyway. So I'm happy for you. You have won it. Yes, you got the BOTT prize money. Congratulations. Yes, and if you want to win the BOTT prize money next week, comment below this video. Okay, so let's see. That was this one. Now we are going to the topic. And the topic today is how to predict next candlestick, which makes part of the how to predict next candlestick playlist. Watch these videos. They are really dope because they are that are those kind of videos which I have done 2020. Every weekend I'm giving you this kind of great informations for free. Yes, to educate you all properly. Yes, and this video will change your trading again. And I have prepared something, and that is the reason why I have forgot to announce those kind of students which I have released yesterday from the BOTT mentorship program who became consistently profitable. Yes, because I worked yesterday on this kind of chart. I have done a lot of work here. Yes, and let's see what this will be about. I don't know what it means here. Sema mass concept, bro. Yes, I would like the translation for it, but you have one. So let me see. So here, that is what I have prepared for you. So let me see. Yes, here. Yes. So obviously those concepts which I have explained in this kind of image, yes, are really. Look, we have now. I have talked about a half an hour. I will dedicate now a lot of time in explaining this kind of stuff which I'm gonna explain today. How to predict the next candlestick based on strong support and resistance on ranging market. So let me explain you what's going on. Obviously, for most of the concepts, you need the BOTT price action Bible, yes, and the video packs, yes, because this kind of concepts are explained there in detail, and also in the BOTT video packs explained how to execute those kind of trades properly. Yes, when I told you an evening star, I didn't name it. Yes, if you see here morning star, an evening star, you should know how to trade them. That is explained in the BOTT price action Bible. If I show you here the support and resistance zone, then you have to reference this to the BOTT price action Bible and the video packs, because there is explained how the change of polarity is working, how how a support level becomes a resistance level, and so on and so on. So those kind of concepts, and you see these concepts are based on those things which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible, because you see here the highest probability trading setups. That are those kinds of things which I have explained here, yes, where I told you that you have to get the key level, the trend, yes, the candlestick patterns and the rejection all together to make the 4 keys, yes, to make a profitable trade. And that what I'm showing you here, yes, that what I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible here is exactly that what is working over and over and over again, yes, because that is working together. So okay, I show you here not only that new concept which I'm going to show you today, I'm showing here also those concepts which I have explained in the last days. Yes, or sorry, not in the last days, last weekends, yes, which I have explained in the last weekends when I showing you the highest probability trading setups and those kind where I told you how to predict the next candlestick. That are in general that kind of trade stuff which I have explained here. That one what I have explained here, how to predict the next candlestick, the trend continuation stuff pattern. Then this one, how to do price action trading in trend direction. Then those kind of stuff here where I told you how to predict the next candlestick with support and resistance at price action trading. And those kind of stuff which I have explained here, how to do high probability trading setup without confirmation. And you will see all those kind of stuff which I have announced in and produced and shown you, also this kind here about the master candle stuff which I have done last week. This kind of stuff are getting all together, and you see here which I have because why I have done this is a real chart. I will show you, and you can get the real chart by sending me an email with chart 50. If you send me an email with the subject chart 15, you get the real chart of it. I will show you the real chart of it at the end of the video too, so that you see that I'm not doing here some kind of things of inventing. This is a real chart, and you can do this kind of trades really easily. That is for those one who are not understanding when to trade and how to apply this kind of concept. So let me get through it. We are going to begin. We begin here. So we have a downtrend. That is the minimum rule. Yes, the minimum rule is that you have a downtrend. If you have a downtrend, at the end of a downtrend, yes, in between, that is in between of the trend, we got a retracement. Then we got the lower high and the lower low concept, which is explained here. Look at this. So that is this one here. Yes, lower high, lower low. I don't want to get too much into this. Yes, this is what I have explained here, how to predict the candlestick with a trend continuation candlestick. We have a downtrend. For those one who do not know this, we are here in between of the 1 deviation lower and the 2 deviation lower bottom, but I will show you this at the end on the live chart. Downtrend, yes, lower low after retracement candle, we get here lower low, lower high, and that means next candle you do a put here. That is the first trade. There are 30 candles, 30 minutes, and there are at least 15 trades done in this 30 minutes, yes, but you don't need to do 15 trades, you need only 3. Yes, you need only 3 of those trades which will be sure shots. All those kind of trades which I have explained here are sure shots and are based on those concepts which I have explained in the last weeks till 2020. That is why I'm telling you that those kind of videos which I'm doing are dope. So, and I will explain you now exactly what I have marked here. So the first one, we have a lower low, lower high concept, yes, and so next candlestick a put because we are here into a trend after the retracement. Then we got another retracement, yes, and because of this retracement here, a change of polarity, you are entering on the next candle into a put as a trend continuation because this candle here was not a reversal pattern. A lot of traders are doing reversal trades without reversal pattern because they guess, because they are gambling. No, that is not the way. You have to wait for a reversal pattern to do a reversal trade. As long you don't have a reversal pattern, yes, and you have not a prolonged downtrend or uptrend before, you don't trade a reversal. So easy, yes, that is what I can tell you. So we have another retracement, and because this retracement is based on support and resistance level of the change of polarity here, yes, the next candle is a put, yes, because of the trend continuation, because this is nothing else than an inside bar. The upper shadow is showing selling pressure, yes, and so you go into the trend continuation. So the next candle is, this candle here is an exhaustion candle. You know, exhaustion candle, you do a call option after an exhaustion candle, yes, a bearish exhaustion candle, you enter below the closing price. That is another concept which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible, yes, and that is the reason what you should go with, yes. Let me see if I can show you this. That are those concepts which are really important because they are the base. That without this you don't need to trade, yes, because you need to know those kind of stuff. I don't find it, those one who have it, you know this here, entry point. Yes, here entry point, you have to get into the entry point above or below the closing price. Here I don't have the exhaustion candle, but I have here this kind of pattern, and you see your entry point should be above the closing price. Here, that is the entry point. How to identify entry points, how to find entry points, when to enter into a trade. That is the video. Then obviously you need also this kind of video which is explained in the BOTT price action Bible about the purchase time and the expiration time. Yes, so let me go back to the topic so that I can show you this. So where do we have this? Where I have done this here. So look, we have then here exhaustion candle. Everybody knows after a prolonged downtrend, exhaustion candle, end of a trend, call option below the closing price here. That is this trade in the money. Yes. So now we are getting to the topic of today. how to predict the next candlestick based on strong support and resistance level, because I get often the questions, what is a strong support and resistance level? First of all, strong support and resistance level is that what I have explained in the ebook, in the BOTT Price Action Bible. I cannot show you this often enough. Yes, BOTT Price Action Bible, where I have explained exactly how the change of polarity is working, what kind of level is a major support and resistance level, and what is a minor support and resistance level, and from what the support and resistance level is depending, mostly from the trend. So I have explained this in the here in this kind of way. Let me show you this in the highest probability trading setups. You have a downtrend, then you get ranging, and then you get an uptrend. Then you get an uptrend, then you get again ranging, then you get a downtrend, and then it's going like a cycle. So that is what this is about. So we have a downtrend, we go now into ranging. So, and here is coming this. If you have this kind of pattern, and I will show you a lot of this kind of, this will happen always. This will happen nearly every time. When you have a nice pre-long downtrend or uptrend, the price is going into ranging, and then you get a morning star or you get an evening star. That is, it's sure like the amen in the church. Yes, so you have a downtrend, then you get this kind of evening star, morning star, or whatever. Yes, and in this case, I have shown you this exactly. This is the support and resistance level here. This line, which is based on the upper shadow of the doji of the morning star. It can be also the lower shadow of the evening star, which is this one here. Yes. Here you see this, the same stuff. This is a strong support and resistance level. And I will show you now exactly, and I will show you this also on live chart later, yes, how this support and resistance, how you can recognize this. It can be not only the evening star or morning star, it can be every kind of reversal pattern. I have explained this, all kind of those kind of reversal patterns, which I have explained here in the advanced SNR technique. Yes, dark cloud cover, bearish, bullish, engulfing candle, evening doji star, morning doji star, and so on. And it can be also normal doji stars, yes, dojis, and normal morning stars and evening stars. So look at this. We have here the downtrend. So after this downtrend, we get here the higher high, higher low concept. We have a morning star. I don't tell you to trade this kind of candle here. I don't have told you this. Yes, that is not the case. Important is that you understand that you get here a breakout of this support and resistance level, and the next two candles are doing again the higher high, higher low concept, and you enter on this candle into a call. Yes, you enter into a call. Here you have then the process of elimination, which is explained also in the BOTT Price Action Bible. Yes, and then after this, I do not tell you to trade this kind of trade here, this put option. You could do this put option here. Yes, you could do this put option here because of the process of elimination. I have missed this. Yes, that would be another trade. So after this, because it was here at the end, yes, you do again lower low and lower high, because that was a retracement here. Yes, lower low, lower high, and then you are entering into the next trade. Here we have again the process of elimination, because this candle is not breaking through this strong support and resistance level, is forming a gravestone doji. So you enter on the next candle into a call. Yes, because this level is, because we are now here in a ranging market. You see, we are going here far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. And when I'm talking in my YouTube videos and also in the video packs, yes, about far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, then it's exactly this. And when I'm telling you in the video packs, first reversal at the 2 deviation, second reversal at the 1 deviation, is exactly this the concept. Yes, you see, we use this kind of support and resistance level. Yes, and then you enter on the next candle into a call. If you look really carefully, you see that this, what I have done here with these red lines, are nothing else than this one here. Yes, here, this line. Downtrend, uptrend, uptrend, downtrend. Look at this here exactly on this chart. Downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. That is the minor trend in this ranging market on the upper trend. Yes, not the upper trend, in the major trend. The major trend is ranging, the minor trend are those one. And you see, and if you look carefully, what I'm doing as execution on trades. When I have a downtrend, I do not calls. I do only puts. Put. When I have an uptrend, I do only calls. If I have a downtrend, I do only puts. When I have an uptrend, a minor uptrend, I do only calls. So then after this, we have a higher high, higher low concept. I'm entering on the next candle. And that is not only this one. That is only that concept which I have explained here. Let me show you this. That is also this concept. And that is what confluence is about. If you have a support and resistance level and you get another concept which I have explained in confluence together, let me show, I think I cannot find it now. That is this one here. That's where I showed you. If you have a morning star and the wick is touching this level here, where the low of the previous candles here from this one, yes, then you can go into a call. And let me show you this again here. Yes, let me show you this again here. That is really, that what I'm giving you here is really educating how to trade properly. So again, we have here the morning star, then we have here a candle which is touching this, and then you are going in confluence with the rejection from the support and resistance and the higher high, higher low concept into a call. That is what confluence is about. That is what your outcoming trade makes much more reliable, which increases your success rate of a trade above 80%. Yes, because confluence is always good. That means that a lot of others are seeing this. That means that the probability that this trade will go in the money is much higher. That is education, not showing you, and I will show you this also on live trades, but in general, first educating and then demonstrating. That is what this should be. So, okay. We have then the higher high, higher low concept, then entering into call. Then we get here, and the next candle we do a call again, and that is a breakout. Yes, this kind of candle is a breakout. I do not remember. Yes, a box range breakout. Yes, here we have a box range breakout. This was a box range. Here we get a breakout. Yes, and we are following here always the minor trend. In ranging market, you should follow the minor trend till you hit the key level. As soon you hit the key level, you can change. So, okay. Then we go here into an uptrend, box range breakout, call option on this candle. Then we have again an evening star, and you see, on the evening star, the lower shadow here, the lower shadow of this evening star is used as support and resistance level, and I will show you now exactly how. The next candle is how to trade the engulfing candle or the evening star properly. This is explained in the BOTT price action Bible under the category here. You have to go to the BOTT price action Bible, then you open the page about the evening star, yes, and then you read the criteria, the pattern psychology, the support and resistance levels, the entry points, how to trade it, and how not to trade it. That is what I'm talking about, yes, and that is for every kind of topic which I'm referring to the BOTT price action Bible, yes, because it's not only that you have to read one pages, you need to get the concept all together. Like in my intro, when you see the gears which are going in together, that is what trading is. That is what price action trading is. It's not only support and resistance, it's not only trend, it's not only the candlestick pattern, it's all of them. Yes, they are working all together. So, okay, let me go further so that you get an understanding, better understanding. You see, in a 30-minute chart, you have a ton of good opportunities. Yes, and you don't need to wait for years. You have only to wait that the trend is going into a ranging market. You use the support and resistance level based, which I have taught you here in this kind of video about the support and resistance level based on the candlestick patterns. Morning star, evening star, yes, engulfing candle, dot cover and so on, yes, and then you can pressing line pattern, and then you do the support and resistance level, and then you wait that you go with the minor trend, yes, minor downtrend, minor uptrend, minor downtrend, minor uptrend. So now we have this kind of thing. This is how to trade it, like explained in the Bible. Yes, then we got the next one, which is giving again the lower low and the lower high concept, because we have a retracement. Then we have here the two candles which are creating lower low, lower high, which shows you that we are going into a downtrend, and you are entering into a put option from above the closing price into a put. Then there's again nothing. We have here another exhaustion candle which stopped here at key level. You could trade this candle here too, yes, because it's again an exhaustion candle. I didn't saw this, but you could trade this also. Yes, it's not necessary, because if you have so many opportunities, you can choose that one which you feel best, where you have a good intuition, good gut feeling. Yes, you don't need to trade each and every candlestick. That is only to show you how my concepts are educating you so properly that you could trade each and every candlestick. That are 17 trades in a half an hour. That is nearly each and every candlestick. And all of those kind of concepts, each of those kind of trades are high probability trading setups. They are based on a fundament, that fundament which I'm giving you to you in the BOTT price action Bible and the video pack. So let me go further. So the next one after the exhaustion candle, you could do this call. I have put this down. After this, because we are going to lose momentum, you can do another call on the next one, yes, because we have this kind of strong support and resistance level, and this support and resistance level is properly working because of the ranging market, because we are coming down in a downtrend, we're going into a ranging, and I will show you now in a few minutes this also on live chart, yes, and I will show you also the image of this screenshot, so that you see that I didn't invent it here, something that is properly one-to-one copy of this kind of chart. So look, let me go further, because we are losing a lot of time here. So okay, then we got here the next one is the call option. Then we have again lower, higher high, higher low concept, yes, after the retracement here, yes, and stop at the key level, and then you're entering on the next candle into a call. Here we have again an exhaustion candle, an evening star, which got again at the support and resistance level of this evening star, yes, so you could do a put option here from after the touch of this level, yes, and then on the next candle you can do a put option too, because we have here a reversal, a pullback, yes, and that would be nice. Then here we have again the process of elimination, because this candle didn't unfold like it should, but you can still do a put, because that is the same concept which I have explained a few minutes ago. Yes, that was this one where I showed you that you can enter on it when it's touching the key level. Let me see if I can show you this again so that you understand. There are so many pages. That is the reason why I'm telling you always to get all the information and to try to apply this all. So here, evening star call option. Let me see, that was a call option or was a put option? I don't remember. Let me see. Yes, it was a put option. So in this case, yes, it was a put option. So it would be this concept here. Yes, this one here, evening doji star put option from this level. That would be this one. So, and you see all this kind of trades. And then, after this process of elimination, then we have a breakout. Yes, and then you do a call option, because this is a master candle here. We have here a master candle, 1, 2, 3 candles in a master candle, and then we got a breakout, and then you are entering into a call option on the support and resistance level. And after this, the trend continues to going up, yes, because that is what I have shown you here, yes, about the highest probability trading setup. Here you have an uptrend, reversal pattern, downtrend, reversal pattern, uptrend, reversal pattern, downtrend, reversal pattern, uptrend. Yes, that is this one. So now I'm going to show you this kind of screenshot of the chart, real chart, so that you have it. If you need this, you can send me an email to my boturbotrader@gmail email address with the subject chart 15. Yes, so 1 second, I have to prepare this. Okay, so here we have the screenshot here. Yes, here you see, here we have the downtrend, here we have the breakout, Here we have the trend continuation. Here we have the exhaustion candle. Here we have the support and resistance level. And you see, that is what I told you. Yes, first reversal at the 2 deviation, second reversal at the 1 deviation, based on the upper shadow, yes, of this kind of chart. And here the same stuff here, the lower shadow of this evening star is giving you the same hint. You see how the EMAs are supporting and giving you confluence, yes? You see here the exhaustion candle, the call option. The call option goes in confluence with the 1 deviation and the 50 EMA, which is increasing the probability that your trade is going in the money, yes? And yes, and that is what this is. This is also here a nice call option on the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, not only on the support level, also on the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. And that is this one. So you can get this if you want with the email chart 50. So, and now I'm going to show you this kind of stuff on the real chart. So let me see if I can show you. I have prepared something maybe. Yes, here. Yes, I have prepared this. So look at this. The first I'm going to show you this based on the, I don't know what I have done here as lines, but let me remove them and I will show you now. Okay, we have this tool, for example. So here, look at this. We have this morning star-like star pattern here. Yes, it's like a morning star. It's a pullback from this support and resistance level, which is a round number. So, and if you would put, if you put this line here, you see that the price is reversing exactly on this level. Yes, you can do this call option here, and you can do this call option here, because this level is a strong level. The same stuff is here. I told you you cannot do this only with morning star and evening star. You can do this also with other ones. And you see, you have a downtrend, then you got in this reversal, then we are going into a ranging. The same is here, yes, you go into a ranging, it's ranging here, and then this kind of level is working like a charm. So let me see if I can show you another one. Yes, it will be not always working because you need the right pattern, but here, look at this. That is the last one, which the end here. Morning star, yes, and then you go into a short ranging, and you can use this kind of support and resistance level, yes, like a charm, doing your call option because of the ranging market. Yes, downtrend, even morning star, upper shadow giving you support and resistance, and that are strong support and resistance levels. Why? Because we are coming from a downtrend and now we are going into an uptrend, and that is the reason why those kind of levels are working like a charm. Okay, that was it already. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. If you want to win the BOTT prize money, send me in comment below this video. If you want to get your money recovered by IQ option at the moment only, send me an email with the subject investment recovery to my email address boturbotrader@.com and gmail.com. And if you if you have any kind of suggestion for a video, send me an email with a subject suggestion, and then you tell me what kind of video you want. I try to cover all those kind of videos which you need to get educated properly, you know this. And in this case, I would say, yes, stay safe and bye-bye.